learn to breathe better. This begins first and foremost with great posture. Sitting up straight allows the lungs to expand quickly and efficiently with every breath. Likewise, sitting up straight helps air to travel into the lungs and carbon dioxide to travel out of the lungs unimpeded. If you are sitting at your desk and feel foggy or otherwise uninspired, take a moment to reposition your body with a straight back to notice an immediate improvement at how well oxygen is reaching your bloodstream and therefore your brain. Why is your health connected to your breathing? Well, here is why. Every system in the body relies on oxygen. From cognition to digestion, effective breathing cannot only provide you with a greater sense of mental clarity, it can also help you to sleep better, digest food more efficiently, improve your body's immune response, and reduce your stress levels. Many people who practice yoga, especially those who focus on the practice of pranayama or breath control, have been shown to regulate the sympathetic nervous system, or the part of the body that controls breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure. And that concludes the end of this audio. Please like, comment, and share. Thank you.